Hi, would you like to learn the English alphabet? If so, you're in the right place. My name is Hailee. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the alphabet, some of the most common sounds that each letter makes, and then after that, we'll have some practice so that you can check your comprehension.
Apple, apple. Cake, cake. B, ball, ball. Rabbit, rabbit. C, car, car. Rice, rice. D, dog, dog. Bed, bed. E, egg, egg. Teacher, teacher. F, food, food. Surfing, surfing. G, gold, gold. Bag, bag. H, horse, horse. Heart, heart. I, pig, pig. Ice cream, ice cream. J, jelly, jelly. Jump, jump. K, kitchen, kitchen. Bike, bike. L, lamp, lamp. Whale, whale. M, money, money. Dream, dream. N, nest, nest. Balloon, balloon. O, hot, hot. Boat, boat. P, pizza, pizza. Happy, happy. Q, queen, queen. Question, question. R, rain, rain. Pear, pear. S, sea, house, house. T, taxi, taxi. Hotel, hotel. U, run. Cube. V, volleyball, volleyball. River, river. W, water, water. Bow, bow. X, x, x. fox, fox, 6, 6. Y, y, year, year. Baby, baby. Z, z, zipper, zipper. Prize, prize.
All right, good job. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet, and every letter has at least one sound. So we are going to do a little bit more practice now, and we can see how much you remember. All right, good luck.
What letter is missing? A, apple, cake. What letter is missing? B, ball, rabbit. What letter is missing? C, car, rice. What letter is missing? D, dog, bed. What letter is missing? E, egg, teacher. What letter is missing? F, food, surfing. What letter is missing? G, gold, bag. What letter is missing? H, horse, heart. What letter is missing? I, pig, ice cream. What letter is missing? J, jelly, jump. What letter is missing? K, kitchen, bike. What letter is missing? L, lamp, whale. What letter is missing? M, money, dream. What letter is missing? N, nest, balloon. What letter is missing? O, hot, boat. What letter is missing? P, pizza, happy. What letter is missing? Q, queen, question. What letter is missing? R, rain, pear. What letter is missing? S, C, house. What letter is missing? T, taxi, hotel. What letter is missing? U, run, cube. What letter is missing? V. Volleyball, river. What letter is missing? W. Water, bow. What letter is missing? X. Fox, 6. What letter is missing? Y. Year, baby. What letter is missing? Z. Zipper, prize.
How did you do? I hope that you enjoyed learning the English alphabet and some of the sounds that the letters make with me. If you liked this video, please make sure you like it down below. Also subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I have new content. Remember, learning a language just takes lots and lots of practice, but you can do it. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.